Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking at the most beautiful places in Italy.
First on the list we have the Amalfi Coast, which is one of the most picturesque destinations I've ever been to. The breathtaking views of the turquoise sea, the colorful houses perched on cliffs, and the lush greenery are absolutely stunning. The food in Amalfi Coast is divine. The region is known for its fresh seafood, handmade pasta, and delicious limoncello. I highly recommend trying the local specialty spaghetti alla vongole, spaghetti with clams. The towns along the coast are full of history and charm. In Amalfi town, you can visit the stunning Cathedral of St. Andrew, while in Positano, you can wander the narrow streets lined with boutiques and cafes. Next on the list we find Capri, which is a beautiful island located in the Bay of Naples, Italy. Its breathtaking landscape, crystal clear waters, and charming architecture make it a must. The island is famous for its rugged coastline, towering cliffs, and hidden coves accessible only by boat. The streets are lined with colorful buildings, designer boutiques, and small cafes that offer delicious Italian cuisine. The warm Mediterranean weather, combined with the stunning views, makes Capri a perfect place for relaxation and exploration. At number 8 on my list, we find the Italian Dolomites that are a natural wonder that will take your breath away. The towering peaks, jagged cliffs, and pristine alpine lakes create a landscape that is both rugged and beautiful. The region is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts with opportunities for skiing, hiking, rock climbing, and mountain biking. However, the Dolomites offer more than just outdoor adventures. The charming mountain villages with their traditional architecture and delicious cuisine provide a glimpse into the rich culture and history of the area, and the stunning views from the mountain passes and scenic drives are simply unforgettable. Next up we find Lake Como, which is a true gem of northern Italy. Nestled in the foothills of the Alps, this picturesque lake is renowned for its natural beauty and luxurious atmosphere. With crystal clear waters, rugged mountains, and charming towns dotted along its shores, Lake Como has something for everyone. The lake's shoreline is lined with elegant villas, some dating back centuries, which showcase the region's rich history and culture. Visitors can explore the quaint villages and towns around the lake, each with their own unique charm and character. Take a leisurely stroll through the cobbled streets, admire the stunning architecture, or indulge in the local cuisine at one of the many delicious restaurants. For those seeking adventure, Lake Como offers a range of activities, from hiking in the mountains to water sports on the lake. At number 6 on my list, we are heading to Cinque Terre, which is a charming and colorful coastal region in the Liguria region of Italy. The name Cinque Terre means 5 lands and refers to the 5 picturesque villages that cling to the rugged cliffs along the coastline. The villages are connected by hiking trails that wind through terraced vineyards, olive groves, and steep cliffs, providing stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. Each village has its own unique character, with colorful houses, narrow streets, and lively squares. Visitors can explore the local markets, sample fresh seafood, and soak up the relaxed atmosphere. In at number 5, we find Sardinia, which is an enchanting island in the Mediterranean Sea that boasts some of Italy's most stunning natural landscapes. With crystal clear waters, pristine beaches, and rugged mountains, Sardinia is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The island's coastline is a mix of sandy beaches, rocky coves, and hidden bays, providing plenty of opportunities for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. Inland, visitors can explore rugged wilderness areas, ancient ruins, and picturesque hilltop villages. At number 4, we are going to Rome, also called the Eternal City. Rome is a captivating destination that beckons visitors with its rich history, stunning architecture, and mouth-watering cuisine. As the capital of Italy, Rome is home to countless iconic landmarks, from the Colosseum and the Pantheon to the Trevi Fountain and the Spanish Steps. But Rome is more than just a city of ancient ruins and grand monuments. It's a city of vibrant neighborhoods, where you can wander narrow streets lined with cozy cafes and charming boutiques and stumble upon hidden piazzas and buzzing nightlife spots. Whether you're exploring the Vatican City, indulging in a gelato at a sidewalk stand, or simply admiring the city's breathtaking skyline, Rome is a place that will leave an indelible mark on your heart and mind. Next up is Puglia. The charming heel of Italy's boot is a hidden gem that is waiting to be discovered, with a stunning coastline that stretches for miles and a countryside dotted with olive groves and vineyards. Puglia is a place of unspoiled beauty and authentic Italian culture. The region is home to some of Italy's most picturesque towns, such as the whitewashed village of Ostuni, the Baroque masterpiece of Lecce, and the enchanting trellis houses of Alberobello. But Puglia is more than just a pretty face. It's a foodie's paradise, with a cuisine that celebrates fresh seafood, handmade pasta, and locally grown produce. And if you're looking for adventure, Puglia won't disappoint. In at number 2 comes Sicily. The largest island in the Mediterranean is a destination that offers a little bit of everything, from ancient Greek ruins and stunning Baroque architecture to breathtaking beaches and awe-inspiring natural wonders. Sicily is a place that will leave you spellbound. As the crossroads of Mediterranean civilization for centuries, Sicily has a rich history that is reflected in its diverse cuisine, art, and architecture, from the magnificent Greek temples of Agrigento to the Moorish-inspired Palazzo dei Normanni in Palermo. There is no shortage of impressive landmarks to explore, but Sicily is more than just a living museum. It's a place of vibrant culture, where traditional festivals and lively markets bring the streets to life. And if you're a food lover, Sicily won't disappoint. And finally, at number 1, we find Tuscany. The heart of Italy is a region that epitomizes the beauty and charm of the country. With rolling hills dotted with vineyards, picturesque towns perched on hilltops, and a rich cultural heritage that spans centuries, Tuscany is a destination that will capture your imagination. The region is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, such as the Leaning Tower of Pisa, the Gothic Cathedral of Siena, and the Renaissance masterpiece of Florence. But Tuscany is more than just a museum of art and architecture. It's a place of authentic Italian culture, where traditions such as winemaking and olive oil production are still a way of life. From sipping Chianti in a hillside vineyard to sampling local pecorino cheese in a medieval town, there are endless opportunities to indulge your senses. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button. See ya!